I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with slightly damp hair and minimal product so the clip grips without sliding. Comb through to remove tangles, then apply a small amount of leave-in or light oil where frizz concentrates. Once done, create a clean part and section the top third away from the nape. Secure that first section loosely with a medium claw. This first actionable setup sets tension and shape. Make sure the clip closes fully and that hair sits flat to avoid bulking up near the crown. Now we focus on securing without creating new frizz. Take the remaining hair, divide into manageable sections, and gently twist each section 1 to 1.5 turns. This reduces bulk and aligns cuticle direction. Place the claw with teeth toward the scalp and clamp close to the roots but not pulling tight. This flattens the clip and prevents snagging. For thick or layered hair, repeat with additional small clips, layering them so pressure is even and no single clip bears all the weight. To finish, leave the clips in just long enough for the twist to set, 2 to 5 minutes if slightly damp, longer if wet, and then loosen and readjust for comfort and shape. Smooth any visible flyaways with a fingertip of pomade or light oil, focusing on edges rather than the whole shaft so you keep movement. If clips slip, dry the roots slightly and reposition clips closer to the scalp or swap for a larger size. This fixes slippage without adding weight or causing frizz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.